Many people dream of making a steady income online. It is a powerful idea. You can work from anywhere. You can set your own hours. But for many, this dream feels distant and out of reach. They see stories of online success, but do not know where to start. They often worry they lack special skills or a big pile of money to invest. The path forward seems foggy and filled with confusing advice. This creates a gap between the desire for financial freedom and the ability to take the first step. The goal of earning a consistent $100 every single day can feel like trying to climb a mountain with no map or gear to guide you. This guide is here to be your map. I want to show you that making $100 a day online is not just for experts or tech wizards. It is an achievable goal for regular people, even those starting with zero experience. We will break down the journey into small steps, clear steps, simple steps that you can follow. This is not about getting rich overnight. Before we dive into the specific methods, we need to talk about mindset. How you think about online work will determine your success more than anything else. Many beginners see online income as a magic trick. They click a few buttons and expect money. The reality is different. Online work is real work. It's an exchange of value. You trade your time for money, or you trade your skills for money. It requires discipline, it requires patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Successful online earners act professionally. They don't just try things, they commit to them. Your first few tasks, your first client, your first sale. These are the foundational bricks of your online income house. Let's be clear about what $100 a day means. It adds up to about $3,000 a month. For many, that amount is life-changing. It could be enough to cover all major bills, like rent, utilities, groceries. It could be the extra money needed to pay down debt faster, build up an emergency fund, invest in a passion project, family vacation. This is not just a random number. It is a milestone that represents a significant level of financial stability and freedom. Reaching it proves that you can create value online and build a system that supports you. Let's begin the journey to making that milestone a reality for you. The problem for many beginners is a feeling that they have no marketable skills. I'm not a graphic designer or a programmer, so what can I possibly offer? The solution is to realize that there are countless simple tasks that businesses and busy individuals are willing to pay for. These are jobs that do not require a specialized degree or years of training. They just require attention to detail, reliability, the ability to follow instructions. This is the world of simple freelance tasks, and it is the perfect entry point for making money online. The action you can take today is to sign up on a freelance platform and create a profile offering an easy-to-do service. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork are marketplaces designed to connect freelancers with clients. Your first step is to create an account. Then, you will create a gig, which is a listing for the specific service you are offering. Think about simple things you can do. This could be data entry, where you copy information from one place to another. It could be transcribing short audio files, converting a PDF to a Word document, or even recording a short, friendly voice message for someone's voicemail. To get started, you will need very few tools. You should also be familiar with basic, free applications like Google Docs or Canva. Use a clear and direct title such as, "I will perform 15 minutes of basic data entry for you." Set your initial price low, perhaps in the $5 to $20 range. If your 30-minute gig is $20, you need 5 per day. Reviews raise visibility. Then increase price and add extras like faster delivery. One of the biggest challenges with freelancing is that you are always trading your time for money. If you do not work, you do not earn. This can lead to burnout. The solution is to create an asset that can generate income for you over and over again, even while you are not actively working. This is the power of a digital product. You invest the time to create something valuable once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times without any additional effort for each sale. This creates a stream of what is often called passive income. Do not get intimidated by the word product. It does not have to be software or a 300-page book. It can be a one-page checklist, a budget template, a set of printable motivational quotes, or a short 10-page guide. The key is to solve a small, specific problem for a specific group of people. Use Google Docs or any word processor to write and export PDFs, Google Sheets or Excel for templates, Canva for covers and promos. Gumroad and Etsy make it simple to upload, set a price, and start selling. They handle payments and delivery. Imagine you create a simple meal planning template and sell it for $10. To reach $100 per day, you need 10 sales. Promote via social media, relevant online groups, or a simple blog. Positive feedback leads to platform recommendations. Over time, build a small collection. Each item contributes to your daily goal. A common hurdle is creating your own product. It can feel massive. The solution is affiliate marketing. You act as a connector. You recommend valuable products or services. When someone purchases through your unique link, you earn a commission. It is like being a helpful salesperson without inventory or shipping. Choose a niche you are genuinely interested in. A niche is specific: hiking gear, kitchen gadgets, learning a new language. Join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is popular for beginners. Also explore networks like 𝗧𝗺𝗺𝐿 and ClickBank. At minimum, you need a place to share links, a free blog, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. Disclose your affiliate links clearly. Physical products can be 3 to 5%. Digital products often 30–50%. Promote a $100 product at 20% commission. You earn $20 per sale. 5 sales make a $100 day. Reach this with honest reviews, best of lists, and short product demos. Be genuine and helpful. Many people underestimate the value of the knowledge they already possess. You might be fluent in a language. You might be skilled at a musical instrument, or proficient in a school subject, or good at using a software program. Share your skills through online tutoring. Demand for one-on-one help is massive. Identify a skill and join a platform like Preply, Cambly, or 𝐻𝐸𝐴𝐻𝐸. You can also post in local online communities. Have a quiet space, a webcam and mic, and stable, fast internet. Offer a free 15-minute trial to boost bookings. As a beginner, set $20–25 per hour. To make $100 in a day, teach 4 to 5 hours. Structure as 5 one-hour lessons or 2 longer sessions. As reviews grow, raise your rate. Many tutors earn 40–50+ 𝗧𝗺𝗺𝐞𝐸 and hit $100 with 2 hours of work. Sometimes you need immediate results. Most substantial income streams take time to build. The solution for this need is microjobs and paid surveys, small tasks for small payments. They can earn you your first dollars quickly. Sign up for 1 or 2 trusted sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Survey Junkie, or Prolific. Verify ID and set up PayPal. Start browsing tasks immediately. Typical tasks: identifying objects, short transcription, categorizing data, and simple surveys. You only need a computer or phone and reliable internet. Read instructions carefully. Accuracy affects your rating. It's a game of volume and efficiency. Have realistic expectations. This is not high-paying. $5 per hour is common when starting. Reaching a $100 day with microjobs alone is very difficult and time-consuming. Use them to fill small pockets of time, lunch breaks or evenings. The $5, $10 you earn can be seed money for other ventures or a motivating first win. Start here if you must, but aim to graduate into freelancing, products, affiliates, or tutoring for sustainable $100 day. Each method has strengths and weaknesses. Relying on a single method can leave you vulnerable. Create resilience by combining methods that support each other. Example: pick a baking niche. Offer a Fiverr gig. I will review your sourdough starter photo and give you feedback. Build a small digital product for passive income. Earn now while you build an asset. Start a simple blog or Instagram to share baking tips. Naturally include affiliate links to tools you use. Use the platform to promote both your service and product. Add a 4th stream, one-on-one help sessions. Some days, $60 in gigs, $20 in product sales, $20 affiliate, $100. Other days, tutoring 𝐷𝗀𝐻 sales hit the mark. Diversity provides a safety net and stabilizes daily income. Now, a simple, actionable 7-day plan. Day 1. Choose one method and create needed accounts. Days 2-3. Build your first gig, product, or post. Days 4-5. Publish and do 3 outreach actions. Days 6-7. Reply fast and make small improvements.